Check this out, man. Let's talk about maintenance calories, man. Maintaining a certain calorie and just eating that over and over again. And can you build muscle off of that? Can you just come in, to a fitness journey, a healthier lifestyle journey, and eat a structured plan and build from there without going on a deficit? This is what I got hit up on my Q&A about. Can I still build muscle just eating at a maintenance calorie? Meaning just, eat healthy. And the thing is that there is no way that you could build muscle on top of fat. It's not gonna happen. So what I told this person, and most of you guys, if you guys don't know, I do not know where people are getting their information from, or what books you guys reading, or what fitness influencer you're listening to. You cannot build muscle on top of fat. You need to go on a caloric deficit. You need to eat in a deficit manner, meaning lesser calories than you're actually, you actually have to put in the work and get rid of the fat. You cannot come in thinking that you could just build and that the fat is going to turn into muscle. Is where a lot of people get this misunderstanding. That's why I had to make this video, to clarify and just be honest with you guys. You guys could keep doing it over and over again. You will get frustrated, you will get tired, you will get discouraged, because you guys ain't going to see the result. There's no way that you could showcase your physique if you eat healthy without sacrificing and eating lesser calories than what you're actually, burning. You have to be in a deficit, meaning that, okay, your maintenance calories is as such. Say you eat 2,000 calories. You have to eat, and you're not losing. You're just there, plateau. You have to obviously drop 300 calories, minus 300 calories, until you see that you start losing the weight, which is the fat that you don't have. Now, if you're already built, if you don't have any, areas that you're not comfortable with, or that, you're experiencing, like knowing that, that area has fat, or being honest with yourself and knowing that, oh man, you know what? I still have fat in that area. A lot of people, they carry fat all over the place, all over their body. There's not such thing as spot reduction, where you could just trigger that area and think that that's where you're just gonna lose the fat. Which a lot of people, I'm gonna do 1,000 sit-ups and am I gonna lose my stomach, my gut? No, you're just gonna lose fat from all over the place. You're not gonna just target that area. So if you have any type of fat in any area, you have to go on a deficit. You cannot surpass that area without sacrificing food, being in a caloric deficit, so you could remove all that, get the shape that you want. Once you have the shape that you want, that you're happy with, that okay, bam, I could build from here. Now you start adding food. Now you start finding where your maintenance calories is at. So that's why we reverse diet, which you do increments of like 10% a week. So you could take it slow, so your body will adapt. So your body could respond, where you're just not gaining bad weight. This is where everybody gets it all twisted. This is where everybody gets lost. You need to be structured, building, because if not, you will get fat again. You will start gaining bad weight. A lot of people, they'll sacrifice, they'll get rid of the fat. They'll get a physique where, like, okay, bam, you know what? I have a six pack, I'm cut. I could see the definition. I could see the bicep vein pop in. I could build now. And now they just start eating. They start eating thinking that, oh, I'm just going to build muscle. I'm going to bulk up. It's called dirty bulking, which when you don't have nothing structured, you're just going to gain fat, because the body, it's not going to burn as quick as you're going to be introducing those calories. That's why you need to be structured with it. You have to increment, 10% of carbs or fat However, whatever you want to try first. You cannot just go all out and eat whatever you want and just start, bulking without nothing structured, without being structured, without following a plan. So can you build in a maintenance calories? Yeah, absolutely. Once you have the results that you want, once you have the physique that you want, you could stay at a certain calorie percentage, protein, carbs, and fat, and just build from there. Just keep pushing yourself until you plateau. Then you could add a little bit more. Keep pushing yourself until you plateau. Just keep eating a little bit more. You don't have to, reverse like everybody does, where you just keep adding until your body starts gaining, obviously more fat, and you start feeling softer, and then you'll go on a mini cut. You don't have to do that. That's actually gonna take longer, but like I said, this is long view. This is a lifestyle. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not actually like cutting and reversing no more and bulking and cutting. No, I'm just staying at a steady pace, and I'm just building from there, getting stronger, getting, my body back into, everything, all my levels, that I was struggling with when I was on a cut. Because when you're in a cut, you still, you're still end up sacrificing a lot of your hormone imbalance. You're lacking on a lot of vitamins and minerals. So when you start eating more, obviously that's when you get to find out, oh, I'm deficient on vitamin C, vitamin D, all these, you start finding out what you're deficient in, and that's when you start implementing supplements, or greens. A lot of people don't like vegetables. You have to eat vegetables. You need fiber, so then you will get a supplement. If you're not that type of person that likes greens, you still have to have fiber in your diet. So that's when you start finding out, okay, I need more healthy fats, because you got rid of all the unhealthy fats that you were eating. So obviously the body cannot survive without eating fat. You need fats, but we got better choices. So now you start learning, okay, I need omegas. I could get fish oil. I could, get my omega-3 fats from eggs. Now I could eat more regular eggs instead of just egg whites. Now you start finding out, okay, I need more red meat. I need more, the healthier fats coming from like a nice lean steak. And you start, introducing those slowly. You're in control now. Once you're in control and you have the body that you want, now you're able to have the luxury to choose, oh, let me just build at a maintenance calories, or let me just do the cut and reverse game, which is a little bit quicker. And it's just being more structured with the goal that you want. I want to build more size. I want to, see how far I could get on eating as much as I can, so I could be stronger, so I could be able to push more, and then I'll go on a cut. And then that's what you just keep doing, for your fitness journey. There's a lot of ways, but without you getting the results and the physique that you want, you cannot build at a maintenance calorie if you have too much fat. Hope this video helped. Let's run it.